Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading at a new lifetime high of 31,535. It made high of 31,549. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Dow Jones support stands at 31,350. Dow Jones resistance stands at 31,570. Currently Dow Jones is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell, but if Dow Jones break 31,350 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 31,200 and 31,000. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 13,760. It made a new lifetime high of 13,779 in early morning session. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq support stands at 13,640. Nasdaq resistance stands at 13,820. Currently Nasdaq is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell, but if Nasdaq breaks 640 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,500 and 13,200. Currently Dow Jones and Nasdaq both are in positive zone. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. It made a new lifetime high of 39.35. Currently it is trading 39.33. Let's have a look at resistance and support. S&P 500 support stands at 39.10. S&P 500 resistance stands at 39.52. Currently S&P is in positive zone, but if S&P break 39.10 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect S&P to test around 38.90 and 38.60. Now let's move on to commodities. First we will see gold. This is gold chart. Currently gold is trading 1854. It made high of 1855 today. It just fired after US posted flat inflation numbers. Now let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Interestingly, I have given a sell to my paid subscriber at 1845.30, but we exited at 1846.30 with minimum damage. In fact, I have given a sell in silver as well. That achieved the target, but gold just missed the target with $2 or $3. Nonetheless, let's have a look at resistance and support. Gold support stands at $1832. Gold resistance stands at $1862. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. Currently gold trend is positive, so avoid going for sell. But if gold break 1830 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect 1810 and 1790. Now let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. I have given silver sell at 2740. We have booked profit around 2718. We have booked around $1,100 profit in silver trade. Currently it is trading 2746. So quickly have a look at resistance and support. Then we will assess the trend of the market. Silver support stands at $27.10. Silver resistance stands at $27.60. Currently silver is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if silver break 2760 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect silver to test around 2790 and 2820. Now let's move on to euro. After that we will see Bitcoin. This is euro chart. It has also recovered from the lows of 2108. Currently it is trading 2130. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Euro support stands at 2100. Euro resistance stands at 2160. Currently euro is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell, but if euro break 2100 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect euro to test around 2040 and 2000. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently it is trading 45,700. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Bitcoin support stands at $44,900. Bitcoin resistance stands at $47,300. Currently Bitcoin is in positive zone, but if Bitcoin break 44,900 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect 44 and 42,000. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.